This is the receiver, and this is the transmitter. How'd I get them to connect? I mean, I looked at the inside of the pack, but that means nothing to me. Well, I understand your frustration, and I felt the same way. Which is why I'm creating this video to help you understand how to synchronize your Sennheiser G4 wireless receiver to your transmitter. Let's figure this out together. So before we even begin to synchronize our devices together, we need to understand which device is which, because that's going to greatly impact the outcome of how we pair the two devices together. If you look on the back of your Sennheiser G4 device, you'll see a small font. This font will indicate whether you're holding the transmitter or the receiver. Once you've confirmed which one you're holding, it's time to scan for frequencies with your wireless receiver. Now before you do any of this, be sure that you set your transmitter aside and that the battery is turned off. Now with your powered on receiver, use the oval shaped buttons to navigate to the device settings until you've reached easy setup. From here, click on the set button that appears on the right side just above the batteries. Now we can either use our current list or we can scan for a new list. In this case, we're going to scan for a new list. The receiver is now scanning for available frequencies that it can use to communicate with the transmitter. Once you've found an available frequency, press down on the black button that says Set. You've officially set a frequency with your wireless receiver. Now it's time to pair it with your wireless transmitter, the device that is going to have the microphone connected. Now, there are two ways you can go about this. From your transmitter settings, you can search the frequency lists that are available. And what you'll want to do is match the exact frequency that your receiver has with your transmitter. Or you can simply use the sync feature on your receiver and bring it closer to your transmitter. Inside your battery's compartment, there's a purple square that lies right next to the on-off button. When you press the sync button on your receiver, make sure that you hold the receiver and transmitter in place together while aligning with that blue square. By doing this, the transmitter is finding what frequency the receiver is already using and matching it from there. Now we just need to make sure we have signal and that the two devices are communicating with each other. And the only way to find that out, you guessed it, we gotta do an audio test. So right now you're listening back to the audio from my Sennheiser G4 wireless receiver transmitter. The sensitivity is currently set to 24 decibels, but if I lower it just a little bit, suddenly my voice will drop. And now if I raise it up a little bit, my voice will continue to raise and gain. Now let's go back to that 24 decibel range because that's a good range that we want to be at. And so there you have it. I've paired my wireless transmitter with my receiver. They're both on the same frequencies and the wireless transmitter is set to a good sensitivity. Now, if you found this video helpful, the video next to me will teach you about another wireless system that I use to record audio. And if you've enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe for more videos on audio production and content creation. Thank you for watching, and let's go make some awesome content.